think from the point of view of this business, the key asset is the IP. And what they've sensibly done is set up a group structure which broadly has a holding company which receives the investment, and it in theory doesn't trade. It has two subsidiaries. One holds the IP, and it sits there. Again, it doesn't trade. It's not exposed to third parties. It's just an asset holding vehicle. And then there is a separate trading subsidiary which will then go and enter into third-party contracts for the manufacture and for the sale of the product. And I suppose the key advantage of that is from a sort of third-party perspective, that if there was a catastrophic claim against any of the companies, it would be against the trading subsidiary. That probably wouldn't have any significant assets, might have some cash, but it wouldn't hold the IP. And in theory, that claim against that subsidiary, then if it happened and wiped out the subsidiary, actually the rest of the group remains in place. So the IP is a sister company. It sits to one side in its own company. And again, the parent company, one can extract the cash, it holds the IP, it can weather the storm of a sort of catastrophic claim legally. Now, reputationally and everything else is entirely different, but it's better than everything being in one company, so that company has all the assets and is exposed to third-party claims, and then it all goes, or it all stays in one go. That's the theory, and in reality, one has to be very careful that you don't taint the other companies by cross-company guarantees, parent company guarantees, or anything else. And so there needs to be quite a lot of discipline around the running of the businesses to make sure that everything's properly channeled through that trading subsidiary. And you probably need to be safe contracts between the IP company and the trading company, which have clauses which allow termination or insolvency, etc., as if they were sort of arm's length companies. So that structuring it's very good to put that in place. And we've seen many examples actually where it's been a very good thing that it has been done.